As I said, do you really want to be that productive? Is that the life that you want? Is what you aspire to being someone who is productive, or are you aspiring to be someone who creates things, who is creative, who accomplishes things, who lives the best possible life? Because they're not always the same thing. There's some people that need to be productive in order to feel satisfied, to relieve anxiety, to just do things better in life because they know that they're not organized, or they're going to fall behind, or they're just going to be up at night worrying about things. I live with someone like that. My wife is like that. She is always able to achieve inbox zero. She doesn't want to go to bed or finish work until she's finished everything off. And I'm the absolute opposite. We've both been successful, but it's not that we follow the same path, because it's rare that everyone can do the same thing and have the same results. There's people that will tell you how to eat, how to live, how to sleep, how to do everything. But if that's not right for you, all that is going to do is add a bigger burden onto your life and create anxiety and create an inferior complex. It's the same thing, as I said, with exercise and fitness gurus. If you look at them and you compare yourself to what they're doing, you're going to feel inadequate. You're going to feel that you're not doing enough, that your body's not good enough, that you need to be eating better, exercising more. But the reality is that's their life. They're paid to do that. They have the motivation to do it because their livelihood depends upon it.